Spring is the time of year when teaching isn't the hard part. It's everything around it. The schedule is weird, the energy is weird, and somehow your brain is more tired than it was in December. So here are a few spring teacher problems no one really talks about, and some simple ways to make them easier. All right, let's jump in with problem number 1. Your students are restless, but structure still matters. By spring, students are wiggly, chatty, and dreaming about summer. It's tempting to loosen everything up, but when routines disappear, behavior usually follows. So here's my tip. Keep your core routines the same, but add small novelties. Use the same procedures, just with a spring twist. New themes, same structure. It keeps students engaged without reteaching expectations. Kind of like the spring game or these spring visual timers. Problem 2, decision fatigue is real. By now, you've made thousands of decisions this year, and your brain is tired. Spring adds extra little things, appreciation days, events, and end-of-the-year moments. Every tiny choice starts to feel big. So my tip is create go-to defaults instead of deciding from scratch. So for example, staff appreciation days. Keep it simple with ready-to-go cards, which means students don't have to learn a new craft or a new routine. They already know what you do with the cards when they get them. And it keeps the staff feeling genuinely appreciated. But the great thing is that you're not scrambling to plan something new each time. It's simple, repeatable, and done. All right, problem number 3 is that time feels fast and slow at the same time. Some days drag, some weeks disappear. It's a strange mix of burnout and countdown mode. My tip is to anchor your weeks with small, predictable highlights. For example, a fun Friday routine, a read aloud that students love, or a quick class tradition. It gives everyone something steady to look forward to. Spring doesn't need more big ideas. It needs simple systems that save your energy. If it makes your day easier and your students feel successful, it's doing its job. And next, if you need help getting your class to be less noisy, you'll want to watch this video, where I'm sharing my favorite book list for a loud class.